sight. Thank you, universe, so wide and grand, with sky and clouds and soft warm sand. Thank you for trees and birds that sing, for oceans deep and everything. Planets that spin and comets that fly, rainbows that dance across the sky. Mountains so tall and valleys so low, the universe helps us learn and grow. Thank you, universe, so wide and grand, with sky and clouds and soft warm sand. Thank you for trees and birds that sing, for oceans deep and everything. Favorite star is like a friend, guiding us from